I can guarantee that if you're a creator, you probably have asked yourself at one point, is my engagement rate even good? Your engagement rate is the percentage of your followers that are actually engaging or interacting with your content. Engagement can be like likes, comments, saves, shares. This right here is the actual formula of what calculating your engagement rate really looks like, but it's kind of annoying to do. I'm going to show you a better way at the end. We care because brands use this as essentially like a measurement to see, does this person have an engaged audience? Because if they have an engaged audience, that probably means more sales or more awareness when they partner with you, which is obviously what they want. So Rival IQ has done really great TikTok benchmark studies that show us engagement rate by account size because it's not a one size fits all. This right here is the breakdown. So for example, if you're between 5 to 10K, your industry standard engagement rate is 4.4%. That means if you're at 4.4% or higher, you're killing it. You're doing great. One side note, this is very interesting to me that as you get higher with your follower count, your engagement rate's also expected to rise, which is the complete opposite on Instagram. Just kind of interesting. So now if you saw that math equation and you were like, don't make me do math, these are what you should use instead. These are different platforms that offer engagement rate calculators where you'll be able to put in your handle or the link to your TikTok account and it will basically pump out a number. Personally, what I do if I use any of these sites is I'll put mine into a few different sites and just grab the highest one. Most brands actually just have systems that they use to figure this out. So like you getting this number from one of these sites is like, cool, thanks, but we're probably going to get our own if they're a brand. And I will say that some of these sites sometimes are a little finicky, so having all 4 ready to go is probably in your best interest.